This is the system I've developed. It's taken me 8 years to find out all the ways that it can work. I found thousands of ways that don't work, but this system works. Now, I type in just how to use business phones, and if somebody's looking for something, the first thing they're going to recognize is the Samsung logo. What I've developed is what I call logo branding marketing, where the logo is the most dominant feature on the page. It totally dominates that page. Click on it, and it connects to a video system of tutorials. But another interesting feature is that it's got an app built into it. You just click to access the app and it takes you right to that dealership. Here we have everything about where this dealer is. Now if we want to click on it and send it by mail, you can share and refer. So all we do is I'll send it to myself here. Send. Now it can also be sent by text message. I'll send it to myself as well. Send. Very simple system. It works extremely well. Now the very nice thing about this too is that if you want to add it to home screen, just press add. That's it. And now there it is right on the home screen. Click on it again, and now it acts like an app, does everything like an app, but you don't have to download it from any app store, and it works on every mobile device, Apple or Android. It doesn't matter, they both work. Here's a demonstration of how this system creates referrals to friends and family through social media. We're on the How to Use Samsung Business Phone System app. We click on the share button and we can go to Facebook. It's all preloaded. I haven't typed a word. I press post and it's there. When we go to my Facebook account, now we can see that it has been posted, How to Use Samsung Business Phone Systems, the user's manual. I click on it, it takes me right to the app. So now you have shared, imagine this, your customer has your app. They've shared it on Facebook, and this works as well on Twitter, and now all of their friends and family have got the personal invitation from them to share and find the app. The benefit of this system is that I've developed a method to market this, of how this works. We're looking for luxury home kitchen designers in Paris. The top of the page in Paris is the Quick Call app. When we click on it there, it'll run a short video about the information. But over in here, what is very interesting is that the reason that I developed the Quick Call app, there's some very important parts in it. If I press on Darrell Backen or the phone number and nothing happens, they're not clickable. So I developed a clickable app, and you can see that it is always a numeric app. Think of app number like a phone number. This one is 1.1.2.K8.tel. If that's in any language, people read numbers in their own language. That's why we've made it that way. When I click on it, it comes up for the information for this demo. Now, on mine, it has everything about it, and for them to phone that number is a simple click. That's it. Super simple. They don't have to do anything. There's no typing, no spelling, no frustration. I know myself, whenever I'm typing on the iPhone, I make 50% mistakes because my fingers are too big for it. Now, here it has all of these things here. If you want people to get to your store, just click on the map. This is directions to my office. And from where I am right now, I would click there and I can go there by car in 43 minutes, and it shows me the route, how to get there. It's a very quick, easy way to do it. Now this is all information from Google. This is all supplied by Google. There's nothing that I've created here that you cannot find on Google, but taking the time and effort to um, put it all together. Within the app, it will tell you every detail about the company. I've used mine as an example here to click on there. If you want to find out about the LinkedIn, it goes directly to the LinkedIn page. And it has all the different information about it. And let's go back here now. And how the hell do we get out of here? Fine. Now I have done this demo on my iPhone. The reason is most people search with a smartphone now rather than going home or to the office to find information. They don't go for desktops anymore. This happened a couple of years ago. There's more search by mobile than there is by desktop. And the benefit of it is the GPS is built into the mobile. There's to my office there. If I click, and it'll give me driving directions to go to the office. If I want to see what it is to take the freeway, it shows me there in seconds. This also demonstrates what is available on the Quick Find app. If you look here at the index, it gives you the Quick Find information for emergency info. Hospital near me, medical clinic, they're all in there, as well as quick look at traffic, buses, weather, ATMs, coffee. Hundreds of things have been preloaded into there, so it makes it quick and easy to room. What does this equate to? A reason to keep it. In all honesty, people won't keep my app if they don't need me. They probably won't keep your app, but they will keep the Quick Find app because it's useful to them. This whole system was developed on a better customer, a better user experience. This was my goal. This is why I spent thousands of hours developing it, and there was a lot of ways it didn't work, but this system now works. This app was developed to solve the hundreds of little daily needs and wants that we have. One of the best ones that I can think of was, well, I'm out and I need some cash, so where are the ATMs near me? I click on this and it gives me a list of all the ATMs around me. So if I click on the Royal Bank one, it tells me, gives me a visual, so I know what it looks like around there. There we go. And then it also tells me when it's open and all the details with that. So it's a simple, very effective way to get some cash when you're out and about. Now this is a really useful feature. It's next bus near me. Click on that and it'll tell you, click on the little target area. It will tell you where you're at. Press search the area and now all the bus stops have come up. So if I click on a bus stop, it tells me which buses go there and gives me 59 minutes for the next C27 and it gives me the whole schedule. Extremely useful. It also gives you what it looks like around there. So you can see where it is you're going to catch the bus. So once you have a vision of it, a visual is very effective. Here's another way that the app gives you a little bit easier lifestyle. Click on coffee near me. You've met somebody you want to go for coffee someplace. So if you look around, it'll tell you the whole area where there's coffee. If you want to meet somebody over here, say Tim Hortons or someplace, you now have all the details for it. And it shows, again, what it looks like and what the area looks like around it. So it's very effective for a place to meet. This is a feature that solves a lot of frustrations. When you click on the conversions, it will come up with one of the biggest things that I find, because I still think in miles per gallon. How much is 20 miles per gallon? Well, that's 11 liters. Now, if you're talking that's US miles, if we go to imperial, now we know that it's 14 liters per 100 kilometers. Quick and simple, done for you in an instant. Here's a quick demonstration of how effective the logo branding works around the world. We'll just click on here. It's been done before here. This is Luxury Home Kitchen Designer Rome. Top of Google. It's been there since February 12th, 2009. It's taken me years to develop this system, but it's solid. It works over and over again. First page of Google, and it gives the logo. That's the most important thing. As you see, you can go through. There's lots of text there, but only one that has that. Now let's go to another place. Let's try London. Search. There we go. First page of Google in London, England. Let's try again. And my wife's favorite place, Paris. There we go, first page of Google. Top of the fold usually, and around the world. Here's the results for searching in Dubai. As we scroll down, we see there's lots of text ads, and here we go. It's there on the first page. Again, 2009. Let's check out another very, very powerful market, Mumbai. Now you can see the results of, there we go. And there we go. It's right there as well. Here's the results for Luxury Home Kitchen Designer in Beijing. First page of Google, there since 2009. This works in South America as well. We have the results here for Rio de Janeiro. There we go. There's the Quick Call app in South America and Rio. Here's the results for Los Angeles. We scroll down here and there's the Quick Call app. Let's check out Toronto. There we go, first page of Google, top of the page. Here's the results for San Francisco. As you can see, there's lots of ads there, but the most dominant feature on the page is the Quick Call app in San Francisco. Ideas is a new concept in marketing. We target the 1 million employees of the GVRD industrial parks over their lunch hour in the company lunchroom. We do not target homes. It would require over 1 million homes to reach the same readership. It would still be regarded as junk mail. It's not a welcome addition. Ideas is a welcome addition to the lunch hour. A unique feature of Ideas, it's the first publication to be instantly converted to an app to go. There's no download, just add to home screen. All they do is simply type in k8.tel. There's no download required, just add to home screen. The app opens up after typing k8.tel. Click the arrow in the box button to add to home screen. Click Add to Home Screen button, and then just click Add, and it's there. The app is now added to their home screen. It's always handy when they need it. The distributorship of this would be targeting the 1 million employees of the GVRD industrial parks. Here's a map of the total area. It covers Vancouver, Burnaby, New Westminster. As you can see, the areas in purple are the industrial parks. When you're working at a business in an industrial park, most of the people eat their lunch in the company lunchroom. It's not as in downtown, people go out for lunch. In an industrial park, they eat at work. That's why this was developed. It's a huge overlooked market. So Burnaby, New West, huge market there. Richmond, another huge market. The North Shore, Langley. Now Langley shares with Surrey the upper area there close to the bridge. It's a huge industrial park. Delta has a huge industrial park as well, Tilbury. Surrey shares with Langley that huge industrial park up near the bridge. Port Moody, Port Coquitlam, and Coquitlam have very large, substantial areas of industrial development. And there's also some in Maple Ridge and Pitt Meadows.